Hey guys, Gio here, and today I'll be doing a review of the Adfilic Bluetooth speaker. You can find it on Amazon for the price of about $25 in both light blue and black. The packaging is pretty basic and I wasn't too blown away by it. On both sides we can find some of the specifications. The speaker features support for a micro SD card, daisy chaining, has a bass expansion system, and a 45mm driver. Adfilic could deal with a better translation throughout. Everything sounds sort of off. Aside from that, if we open up the box, we'll find the speaker, a user guide, and further down we have a micro USB and 3.5mm cable. Before we jump into the review, I want to establish that you can indefinitely find a better sounding speaker for around the same price. However, I recommend that you stay to see why and what I do find is interesting about it. So actually taking a look around the speaker, the front has a seemingly metal grille and a blue LED behind it when the speaker is on. On the top we have 4 buttons, the audio input toggle, previous and next buttons which double as the speaker's own volume controls, separate from your media player, and finally the play, pause, and answer call button. On the back we have a line-in, micro SD card reader, on and off switch, micro USB port for charging, and the battery door housing a generic Nokia phone battery. Also off to the side is a non-removable wrist strap. In terms of design, it's a little bit on the chunky side, but it's still very portable. I wish that there were more speakers around this size. It's also notable that the overall build quality of the speaker is surprisingly solid. Now let's talk about the audio quality. I wish I could say better things about it, but it's just passable. Turning the speaker on, the audio prompt is the most baffling part of this whole package.
Bluetooth mode.
I couldn't help but laugh when I heard the interesting accent. Once you get past that though, pairing is effortless. So let's play a sample. It's just okay. It's certainly passable, but when you compare it to other speakers, you can really see how the audio quality is lacking. From another perspective, it's a step up in volume from a phone speaker, and for some people, that may be all they need. After hearing the audio quality, I thought maybe a cool feature would be daisy chaining it to use it as a sort of Bluetooth transmitter for maybe a home stereo system. But upon testing, there simply isn't the ability to daisy chain another speaker. On the plus side, there's an FM radio if you absolutely have no other music player or SD card to play from. I've actually tried putting in my phone SD card when it ran out of battery and playing music that I stored in there. So if you're ever in the extreme scenario where you desperately need music and all you have is this speaker, simply pop in your phone's micro SD card and play away. Overall, the audio quality isn't the best or even near, but the form factor is something really nice. If you do want to check it out and consider it for its Bluetooth capability, auxiliary input, FM radio, and micro SD card reader, then the links will be in the description below. So that concludes my review of the Adfilic Bluetooth speaker. Thanks to the Adfilic team for sending us out for reviewing purposes. If you guys enjoyed their review, please leave a like and comment to support the channel. Share this video with people who may be interested and click that subscribe button for more videos.